We'll guide you through how to download and install BSL shaders in Minecraft. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First of all, in order to run BSL shaders, we need something called Optifine, so we'll go and get that now. So go and open up a web browser, but just before we get any further, a big shout out to our sponsor Apex Hosting. They're my go-to Minecraft server host. They've got so many awesome features like one-click install mod packs, DDoS protection, 24/7 servers and support, so you can get help anytime you need it. And at the moment, you can get 25% off your first invoice. So there'll be a link down below in the pinned comment and the description if you're interested. But back to the guide. So what we need to do is just go to a search engine and go and search for something called Optifine. Optifine is essentially an optimization tool for Minecraft, so go to optifine.net. Then at the top, go and click on downloads. Now you need to choose which version you want. I prefer to go and get a release version because these are just preview versions. So the most up-to-date one I can get is 1.20.1. So I'll go and click on download. You'll get taken to an ad wall. Just be aware if you see a download button, that is not the download button for Optifine. You'll need to click on the skip button in the top right, and then we can go and click on download, and the download will then begin. And it's now gone and finished. And then what you'll need to do is open up a new tab, and you now need to go and download BSL shaders. So type it in BSL shaders, just like so. And then you can get them from quite a few different places, but I'll get them from CurseForge. And you want to go and click on files and scroll down and go over to the right. And I like to go and get the most up-to-date version. So then you can head over, click on the three dots and click on download file, and the download should automatically begin. And you should have Optifine and then BSL. And all you want to do is go and drag them onto your desktop just like so, and there we are. Now, what you want to do is firstly, we need to install Optifine. So what you want to do is go and double click on it like so. You should then go and get this Optifine installer pop-up. If you don't, it's likely because you don't have Java installed on your computer. So what you want to do is go and open up your web browser again, and we'll go to a new page, and you want to go and search for Java, just like so, and go to java.com. It will take a moment to load, and then all you need to do is click on download Java. It will download, and you then need to go and install it. After you've installed it, then come back to Optifine, and what you may need to do is click on it once, then right click on it, and go and click on open with. Head over to the right and click on Java TM Platform SE Binary, and you should then go and get the pop-up. If you still don't get this after installing Java, it's likely you'll need to go and reassociate jar files and Java. To go and do that, you'll need to run something called a jar fix. So go and search for jar fix, and this is the guy who did it. Go to the website, and what you'll need to do is come down to solution, and there'll be the jar fix program. You can download that and then run it, and that should go and fix your problem. It's what it's fixed for me, and quite a few people use it as well. And then what you can do is finally come back and run Optifine, and you can then go and click on install like this, and nothing will happen. You may think what's happened, but then you should go and get a pop-up which says Optifine is successfully installed. And now that it's installed, we can now go and open up Minecraft. So let's come down here, search for the Minecraft launcher, and wait for it to load. Now what's super important is you now go and run Minecraft with Optifine. Make sure Minecraft Java Edition is selected, and then go to the left of the play button and go and select Optifine like so, and then click on play, and Minecraft should then go and launch. Here we are in Minecraft, and then what you want to do is go and click on options and go and click on video settings, and you'll go and see we've got Optifine installed in the bottom left here. What you want to do though is go and click into shaders. But just a side note, Optifine gives you a load more sort of video settings which you can change to go and optimize Minecraft, so it's super cool. But yeah, go and click on shaders. And what we can do is go and click on shaders folder. But first of all, just make Minecraft smaller so we can actually go and get to the other files. But click on shaders folder, you'll get this pop up, and then you can drag the BSL zip file in just like so, and then you can close off of it. And as you can see, BSL is now there. So what you can do is go and click on it just like I did now, and when you go and launch a world it will be applied, but you can also go and turn it on and off while you're in worlds as well. The world is now loading, and as you can see we're now using BSL, and it does look pretty cool. As you can see, the clouds look all different, and yeah, it just adds a really cool sort of vibe to it. And as I said, you can go and turn it on and off in Minecraft as well. To do that, you just pause the game by pressing escape, click on options, video settings, shaders, and if you want to turn them off, then just click off and they'll be turned off. And you can always go and put them back on by clicking on BSL. That's it. If you guys found this useful, then please leave a like.